Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. Guys, in this video, I'm going to cover coding and decoding questions for your upcoming Accenture examination. If you observe entire July slots, so almost they given 5 different questions from the coding and decoding concept. So that's why we'll solve more number of examples for better understanding in this topic. So without any delay, we'll start our session. If you guys are new to our channel, subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation, guys. So please like our video. If you like, it reaches to the maximum number of people also. And please share this information with your WhatsApp groups or let's put it in the status, guys. See, I'm never expecting other than your support. So please support our channel and don't forget to subscribe. So without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, remember that for coding and decoding, you must good at the alphabetical position and reverse alphabetical position. Second one, you have to understand what are the different opposite pairs. So learn these two informations are most important. If you know these two informations, you can able to solve any questions related for alphabets. Now give me the answer for this question. Sugana here see, for a non-IT there is only reasoning ability. So you can expect almost 35 questions from the reasoning and 15 questions from the MS Office. So total 50 questions. And you can expect a questions from the ages and ratio proportions from the quantitative aptitude. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach me. Don't worry, I will help you out in your preparation also. So guys, try this question and post your answer in the comment section. So what is the logic? First of all, tell me the logic. What is the logic for this question? Now see, in a certain code language, CEGI. So here CEGI is coded as RTVX. In the same code language, how IKMO is coded as. What is the logic? Guys, you have to know this information before solving this question. It's all about opposite pairs. So out of 26 alphabets, we have 13 opposite pairs. I will help you out how to remember all the opposite pairs. See, I'm using different names to identify the opposite pairs. First one, how I remember AZ is a opposite pair with the help of a cricketer Azharuddin. So I just remember in that way. Azharuddin, AZ is opposite pair. Boy, BY is opposite pair. Climax, CS is the opposite pair. And you know one of the cricketer, David Warner, GW is opposite pair. Electrical vehicle, EV is the opposite pair. For you, FU is the opposite pair. Grand Test, GT is opposite pair. Hyderabad and Secunderabad, twin cities, HS is the opposite pair. So next one, after H, we know that I. So Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. With the help of those politician names, I can able to remember IR is the opposite pair. Next one, while playing the cards, you can see these two cards here, Zack and Queen. JQ is the opposite pair. Next one, you know one of the celebrity. So I just remember in this way, KFL, KP is the opposite pair. Finally, let's take the man, MN is the opposite pair. So this is the pure logic of opposite pairs. Let me repeat it to remember the opposite pairs. Azharuddin, boy, climax, David Warner, electrical vehicle, for you, grand test, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Jack and Queen, K.A. Pal and Mahesh Man. Just use any names, guys, but try to remember all the opposite pairs. If you can able to see that first letter they coded with the last position. CX is the opposite pair. Electrical vehicle is the opposite pair. Grand test is the opposite pair. Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi is the opposite pair. So this is pure position number 1 to the last position and they are replaced with a opposite. Now here you can able to see I. Indira Gandhi, we require Rajiv Gandhi in the last letter. So K.A. Pal, we require P here. We have a man, N is required. So love, elbow required. So guys, I forgot the letter L. So elbow, love. So with the help of that word, I can able to remember that. So here the answer LNPR is the correct answer. C. Very good, Nana. Subina, Rajdeep, super. Move on to the next question. Let's go through this question. Now see, in a certain code language, Raja and Rani is written as Nimochi and Rani of Jhansi is written as Mokol. Then how Raja of Jodhpur is coded as? So how it will be coded? Guys, if you observe these statements here, if any specific words are repeated, definitely code language is also repeated. That is the common point you have to understand in this question. Now see, here you can able to see Raja. Here there is a no Raja is repeated. If you go through the Rani, yes, Rani is repeated here, Rani is repeated here. Definitely there is one of the code language is also repeated. So we can conclude that Rani is coded as M. We can conclude in that way. Rani can be coded as M. Now the next one, but we required a Raja of Jodhpur. So we have to identify the code language of Raja of Jodhpur. If you observe here, Raja can be either NI or CHI. We are not sure. According to the options only, we can conclude the answer. What about off? See, off should be a either or again. See, can be a NI or CHI. It means we have to take one of the word as a code language. And Jodhpur is completely a different word, so we need different code in the options, guys. Let's go through this one. CHI. Yes, we have a CHI, so there is a possible, but you have to see either NI or CHI. So you have to see this one. Let me check. Sorry. Off can be a either KO or elbow. Sorry guys, either it can be a KO or elbow. If you observe here, you can able to see KO and SO is not given in the option. See, NIMOCHI, MOKO, LO. So this is completely a different code. So different word is always replaced with a different code. So maybe one is the possible answer. But let me tell you why B is not right, C is not considered, and B is not considered. Now let me check here. Yes, we have a CHI. So we have to identify in the code language either KO or LO. Those one of the letter must be presented in the option, but that is not there, right? So you can eliminate B. Next, NIKO Guys, we required either NI or CHI. Yes, we have a NI. You can able to see KO. But if you observe that LO is represented either off or Jansi. That's why C is not an option. Let's check with the third option. CHI is present. NI. See, both are not at all present in the given option. Why? Because here Raja can be coded either NI or CHI. If both are available, definitely it is not a suitable answer. So A is the correct answer, guys. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comment section. Is it clear, guys? Go through this question. Go through this question. In a some code language, station STAGI station is coded as URCRKMP. Here the question how bring is coded in that code language. But guys, listen carefully. I will repeat the alphabetical positions. S is 19, T20, A1, T20, I9, O15, and N14. Now, same way U21, R18, C3, R again 18, 11, M13, and P16. If you observe that, see, it is a plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2. This is the sequence you can observe in the question. Now, apply the same sequence here. Plus 2, minus 2. Now, you know that this is the second letter. We require fourth in the option. So, D is the first letter. Now R is 18, we require 16th letter is P. So DP. So eliminate C, eliminate B, eliminate A, then suitable answer is D. Now see, I is the ninth letter, we required 11th letter in the option, 11th letter is K. N is 14th letter, 14 minus of 2 is equal to 12th letter is L. Now G is 7th letter, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 is represented I. So try to remember all the alphabetical position. Very good. Ramesh, Suna, very good, Nana. Rajdeep. So move on to the next question. Let's go through this. Guys, please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people also. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's check with this question. Deer is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4. Head is coded as 2, 3, 4, 5. Tier is coded as 1, 3, 4, 6. Help is coded as 4, 7, 5, 8. Then what is the possible word for 3, 4, 7, 8? Tier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each letter represented one digit. Head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is represented 1, 3, 4, 6. Now, if you observe the code for each and every letter, then you have to identify the word for 3, 4, 7, 8. Guys, observe that here. You can able to see 3 is a common here, 4 is a common. 3 is common, 4 is common. Again 3 is common, 4 is common. 3, 4 is common means there is a two letter is always common for the given words. Those are EA. EA, EA, EA. So EA are not sure either it can be coded as either 3 or 4. Let's go through the first and third comparison. So R, so definitely R is coded as 1. Why? Because it's a common digit. And you can conclude that D is coded as 2. And you can conclude that T also, T is coded as 6. But again, we are done with the D also, D is 2. So what about H? H is 5. So you can able to get code language for all the letters except E and D. So EA code can be either 3 or 4. But according to the question, what is the code for 3, 4, 7, 8? What about the 4 here? So 3, 4, if both the digits are available, definitely in these given options, we require these two letters in the answer, guys. What about 7 and 8? So let's check with the 7 and the 8. Guys, we forgot one more thing. We have help also. Help is 4, 7, 5, 8. Did you see anything is common? 5. H is 5. Next. 4, you already know that 4. Guys, we can conclude at 4 also. See, 4 is coded as E. 4 is coded as E. 3 is coded as A. So E is 4. Now here LP can be coded as either 7 or 8. So we require these two letters. That's why we require these four letters like EALP. So LEAP is the correct answer. Yes, very good. Next, try this question. If matter is coded as DAMRET, then beyond is coded as. Very good, Nana. Vinay, Rajdeep, Razi. Guys, Same way, see, don't worry about your reasoning preparation. If you go through our videos, that is more than enough in your preparation. But my suggestion, go through the verbal part and coding part also. Go through the different YouTube channels. See content already available in different channel, guys. There are many faculty members are providing the content with a free of cost. Learn the content and attempt your exam and get your dream job. So prepare, guys. Accordingly, prepare. Spare some time for your upcoming placement examinations. Whenever it is possible, go through the videos. If you have any content available, practice it. All the content is available in the internet. You can browse it. You will get the content and start prepare, guys. See, remember that classroom teaching or online teaching is not at all sufficient. If you practice more number of questions, then only you will get that confidence to solve any questions in your further examinations. So that's why whenever it is possible, go and practice some questions. You can pick the questions in internet if the material is available, or otherwise you can go through my Telegram channel. Most of the content is available. Pick the content and try to solve it more number of questions. So that is my suggestion. Let's go through this question. Matter. Matter is quoted as Tamret. If you observe, guys, they divided entire six-letter word into the three letters and three letters, and they are reverse it. So if you reverse it, it become a TAM. If you reverse it, it become a TER. In the same way, split beyond as BEYOND. If you reverse it, your answer is YEBDNO is the correct answer. So check the option here. YEBDNO. C is the correct answer. Super. Next, try this question. Guys, you can follow me in the Telegram V2VVK. If you search, you can get my channel name Vision to Victory. See, after the session, all the PDFs I will update in my Telegram only. You can search Vision to Victory. In Instagram also, you can get my page. If you have any questions related to your preparation, if you have any doubts, feel free to text me, guys. Whenever it is possible, I will contact you directly. Don't worry about it. I will help you out in your preparation. That is the only one promise from my end. Yes, go through this question. Now, see, if mother is coded as JRUKBU, then what is principal is coded as? So mother M13, O15, T20, H8, E5, R8. If you go through the word, J is the 15th letter, R is 18th letter, Q 17th letter, 11th letter, second letter, 21st letter. You can see it's a plus 2, minus 3. Sorry, it's a plus 3, again plus 3, again plus 3. Guys, give me a second. This is mother, right? M is 13, J is 10. Minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3. This is the sequence. Let's go through the principal. Principal is 16th letter, minus of 3, we require 13th letter. 13th letter is M. Eliminate option B. Second letter is R. R is 18, 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 21st letter is U. You can eliminate option D, eliminate option A. With the help of two letters, you can able to choose your option. Don't waste your time to identify the all the letters. See, guys, we required a option. That's it. So if you go through that first two letters, you can able to get that answer. So don't go through the entire word. Don't waste your time in that particular solve. Next, try this one. Now here the question. See, if you are the John is written as NET, LET, FA. Who are you? Is represented let, wet, net. And John is good. How it will be coded? See, if words are repeated, definitely code language is also repeated. Now see here, observe that. So you can able to see R is repeated. If R is repeated, definitely here the repeated code language is let. R is coded as let. What about U? Why? Because that is also repeated here. See, if two letters are repeated, two words are repeated, we are not sure with a specific language. It can be either net or let. So we are not sure exact code language for R or U. It can be either let or net. But we can conclude it John code language. What is the code language of John? Fat. Code language of John is fat. Code language of who is wet. So we can conclude it only two words code language and remaining two should be either or. Let's go through the options here. So John. So John is always required fat. So we have a fat. And he is good, guys. See, this is cannot be determined. Why? Because they only mention about a single word. They are not mention anything about is and good. So that's why this is cannot be determined. But so John is good. Guys, we are not sure with these two words. If these two are completely new words, right? If it is a new words, definitely you have to choose the new code language in the options. Remember this point. You have to choose new code language. If you see already existing code language in the option, those are invalid. So remember that. Very good. Nana. Next, go through this question. Now see, if iron is written as GOKI, knife may be written as C I ninth letter, R 18th letter, O 15th letter, N 14th letter, G 7th letter, O 15th letter, K 11th letter, I ninth letter. So all about -2, -3, -4, -5. That is the sequence. What about knife? K N I F E. K is 11th letter, N 14th, I 9, F 6, E 5. Guys, if you go through that, this is minus of 2. So we required ninth letter. Ninth letter is I. So minus of 3 is the 11th letter. 11th letter is K. So we required IK. Eliminate D. Next one. Minus of 4, we required fifth letter. Fifth letter is E. IKE. Eliminate option A itself. Minus of 5 here. We required first letter is A. So if you observe that IEK, both are same. Maybe it's a mistake, typing mistake. You can choose either B or C. Guys, sorry. It's IEK and IEK, right? So B eliminated, C is the right answer. Sorry, I missed that. So here B is the invalid answer and C is the correct one. Next, go through this question. No. You can find the difference in B and C now. I too made a same mistake. IEK, IKE. Suguna. Yes. That's why you don't believe your eyes sometimes. So, Now try this question. Now here the question, see, 39574 is written as XPLMT, 0826 is represented as TBNQ. If you observe both the words like XPLMT, you can't see any repetition, guys. If you can't see any repetition, you can take directly based on that position. So if you go through the options here, see here D. So D can be taken directly as a 4. Guys, if there is a no proper comparison, if there is no proper logic here, you can pick the direct letter to the letter. See, what about the B here? B is 8. B is 8. What about the M? You can able to see all the given letter codes in the given question. So 4, 8, 2. What about the T? Yes. So T is repeated here. T is represented 0. Finally, X, X. So X is represented 0. So answer 48203. Sorry, I made a mistake again. Sorry, give me a second. M. M is 7. So answer 48703 is the correct answer. Very good. Guys, here maybe few people have a doubt. As a doubt here. 5 minus 6 means, so 5 minus 6 is all about 25th letter, guys. 25th letter is Y. Maybe if you have a doubt, you can clear it. Go through this one. Next. In a certain code language, its sign is coded as 8367. Direct is coded as 134259. What about the siren? Same. There is an, if anything is repeated here, yes, you can able to see I is repeated. Second position. Let us assuming that I is equal to 3. Check here. I is equal to 3. Yes. If the given letter is same, code language is also same. So directly you can pick the code languages based on the position. Based on position. Directly you can pick the codes according to the position. What about the siren? SIREN. So here S is coded as 8, I is coded as 3, R. So third position is 4, E. So E is again fourth position is 2. What about the N? So N is 7. So answer 83,427. So D is the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Rani, it's D. Razi, Ramesh, Rajdeep, super. Guys, this is for you. I'm just leaving for you. Just try to solve this question. Understand the relation between quarantine and isolation and mention the same relation with the freedom. See, after this session, try to solve and post your answer in the comment section. You just solve it after the session. So don't forget and post your answer in the comment section. Let's move to the next one. Try this. So what is the possible answer? Super Sugana, but please comment after the session. Not now. Guys, first of all, like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to. Now, in a certain code like this, 41095 is ready. 8403227 is fails. 8314541 is represented. Again, let's check with the third position here. 0 is represented A. 0 is represented as A. So directly you can take position to the position. So here A is represented F. First letter is F. Yes, you can able to see. 3. So what is 3 here? So here 3 is represented A. F A. See, with the help of those two positions, you can able to identify the option. Sorry, fourth letter, right? Fourth is I. So again, A eliminated, C eliminated. Either it can be a C or D. Guys, if you observe that 1, 2, 3 is same, 1, 2, 3 is same. With the help of fourth position, you can able to get the option. Check with the fourth position. One, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is 4. So here 4, 4 is represented R. So here B is the correct answer. D is the wrong answer. Very good. Next. Try this one. So in a certain code language, BRIM is coded as AQHL. How is H coded as? Second letter, 18th letter, ninth letter, and 13th letter. A is 1, Q is 17, H is 8, L is 12. If you go through that, it simply consider the preceded letter. C, E, D, G, E. Previous letter of E is D. Previous letter of D is C. C, D, C, eliminate B, eliminate A. G, previous letter. We require sixth letter, right? F. So, C eliminated, D is the correct answer. Next. Guys, while solving any questions related to the simplification, you must follow the BODMAS. According to these indications, you have to go through the simplification. B bracket O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. You have to follow BODMAS rule if you go through the simplification. But here, according to the instructions, you have to change the signs also. It means see, 125. Here minus stands for, see minus stands for multiplication. Now multiplied with a 50. Don't use the division. Again, division says that it is a plus. Plus. But plus again mentioned as division. So again 10 divided by 20. And again multiplication says that subtraction. So just subtracted 4 units. Now go through the simplification here. See 125 is multiplied with a 5. So 625 means 6250. If 10 by 20 is all about 0.5. So 1 by 2 is all about 0.5 minus of 4. If 6250 minus of 4, it becomes 6246. Now you have to add 0.5 units, then it becomes 6246.5. So C is the correct simplification answer. And this is the last one. Give me the answer. Now see, if brother is coded as 86, father is coded as 58, sister is coded as 90, then how will mother be coded in that language? Let me check with the brother. Brother. So second letter, 18th letter, 15th letter, 20th letter. So definitely you can understand the logic also. 18 plus 18, 36. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 20 is 30. 15 plus 5 is 20. If you go through the sum, it becomes 86. Here the logic is sum of alphabet position. And apply the same logic for mother, you will get the answer. But I will go through the different numbers again. You understand the logic here, sum of alphabetical position. Guys, sometimes brother is coded as, let's take in this way, 88. I'm using these two digits instead of 86. If it is given as 88, what is your answer? Sometimes, if you go through the other number, let me think, 172. Now you guys are help me out. If brother is coded as 86, you understand that sum of alphabetical position. But if it is given brother as 88, brother as 172, what is the logic? Tell me the logic. Why? Because it can be coded into the different ways. So I'm using two logics here. You guys have told me what is the answer. How brother is coded as 88, how brother is coded as 172. And I want the exact reason. See, reason means that is the logic. That logic maybe you can expect in your examinations. That's why you have to deal with the logics, not any number of questions. If you practice more number of examples, you understand that okay, this is the logic they are using in different questions. That's why practice more questions. Very good, Nana. Zia, very good. See, but here the logic you should understand that, guys. This is one of the previous year banking question logic, guys. Here the logics they consider sum of alphabetical position, or sometimes, guys, remember that this point also. Sometimes they will consider reverse alphabet position also, and they will consider one of the mathematical operation, like they can be added, they can be multiplied, they can be divided, they can be subtracted. Why it is a 2? You guys tell me why it is multiplied by 2, why it is added by 2. Again I will be, what is the reason they added 2 units or multiplied 2 units? Very good, Nana Ramesh. See, reason behind this, why they are multiplied with a 2 or why they are adding 2 units means, in within the word we have a number of vowels are 2. Maybe sometimes they will consider number of consonants. Maybe they consider number of letters. So don't forget this logic, and one of the most important logic in number coding concept. Is it clear? Guys, they're using different numbers, 88 or 172, or you can expect 90, 93 also. 93 is all about sum of alphabetical position plus number of letters. See, brother is carrying 7 different letters. Those 7 letter is added to the sum of alphabetical position. So are you clear with this logic, guys? Hope you understand the concept. So thank you for your support. That's it from today's session. In the next video, I'm going to cover one more concept. See, we will cover few more concepts also. So we will come up with the more videos for your upcoming preparations. So don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends. And you can download this material in my Telegram channel. Search V2V Weekend. You can get my channel as Vision to Victory. And the same Vision to Victory is the my Insta ID also. Follow us and support my channel, guys. We will come up with more content for your upcoming examination. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.